vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pearsall, Divot, West Pearsall, North Pearsall, Bluff, and Frio Town. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Medina County, southeastern Uvalde County, until 1:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
I'm gonna get what I missed.
This is NOAA Weather Radio, station WXK67 in San Antonio, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.550 megahertz, originating from the Austin, San Antonio National Weather Service Forecast Office. The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a flood advisory for southwestern Medina County, southeastern Uvalde County, until 1:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
This is what I missed. The counties is for. It's mainly for Frio County, but it's in Medina County too. And the warning's not showing up, so I can't show you guys. Actually, I could. This. Actually, you know what? Never mind. Doesn't do anything.